Is your BMW X5 failing to launch Apple CarPlay? Let's get your phone synced back up in a few simple steps. Statistics show that 80% of connectivity drops are minor software glitches that clear with a simple reset. Before you dive into deep settings, we need to perform a hard reset of your iDrive infotainment unit. Hold the volume knob down until the screen goes black, which forces the system to clear its cache and restart. If the reboot fails, verify that your phone has Wi-Fi and Siri enabled, as both are required for wireless CarPlay. Sometimes the handshake file corrupts, so deleting the profile from both the car and the phone is a necessary step. If these steps don't work, you might be looking at a firmware issue that requires a dealer software update. A simple reset is free, while dealer diagnostics and module replacements can quickly climb into the hundreds of dollars. Try a network settings reset on your phone before booking an appointment, as this clears out hidden cache files. Keep a high-quality cable in the glove box to test if a wired connection works when wireless fails. Remember, start with the cleanest slate possible by removing all existing pairing data from both devices. If this helped you reconnect, hit like and subscribe for more BMW troubleshooting tips.